Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto wacho ni mosenindo Raila Odinga dine otayo piny Kenya mana kaka otime gi sani kaluore ni ne en jachia kendo ne gin gi lek achiel mar gero kendo loko ngima jo Kenya to mane en godo kod od fwambo mar Nation. Ruto omedo ni riwruok mar broad based ne en mar riwo piny Kenya kendo neno ni kwe obedo kopogore gi kaka jotelo moko ne dwaro.
Raila Odinga is a phenomenal person. As you know, I've had quite episodes with the late former Prime Minister. We started on different sides when we were in Kanu, they were in Ford and all the others. We came and met in ODM. We forged ODM together. I went out of my way to support him, and he was a great team leader. And then again, we parted ways, and I ran with Uhuru, and he ran with Kalonzo, and the results are there. And then again, we ran, against each other in the last election. And by the way, I have told many people, to me, it didn't bother to me the outcome of the last election. Because one thing I was sure is that if Raila had won that election, he would have done what I've done. He would. Because he had the courage, he had the mettle, and he had the understanding. If you looked at the ODM manifesto, housing was central. Universal health coverage was in there. I mean, and that is why there was no much friction, even when we formed the broad-based government. Because, we shared perspectives, in a very fundamental way. But having said that, when there were challenges in the country, Raila was a statesman. He stepped forward and said, we must stabilize the country. Different from the others.